Hey guys, this is a quick review of the Mora Companion. I think this is the best super inexpensive fixed blade you can get. I think they're so affordable that everyone should have one or more of these. I have several in different varieties and have a stainless steel one that I keep with my fishing stuff. It's just a great utility knife and great secondary blade if you have another fixed blade that you want to carry around. But this could be anybody's main blade as well. It's plenty for most of what any of us use it for. So this is the carbon steel variety, and you can see it's been patinaed, but I'm not too concerned about that because, again, once this thing breaks, I'm happy to replace it, and I would buy it 10 times over. It was easy enough to take a file to the spine to square it off to make it ready for a fire steel. Otherwise, it comes unfinished from the factory. But again, that's a small detail. I've added a sharpening choil just to make sharpening this a little easier. And the grip is very comfortable in hand. It's got a rubberized overmold on this composite base. Comes with a good sheath. Clicks in and holds pretty decently. I have replaced or just cut off the belt loop and ground that down and turned it into a neck knife just for my own purposes. It's so light, it's really easy to carry that way if that's how you choose to do it. You can just pop it out with your thumb. You can see how that snaps off there very easily. And all in all, I think these are great knives, and I don't think I could recommend them highly enough.